Today we learn about healthy food. Vegetables. A diet rich in vegetables can lower blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke, prevents some type of cancer, lower risk of eye problems and digestive problems. Veggies protect your heart and brain. Vegetables are the excellent source of food. Fruits. Fruits provide nutrition vital for health and maintain of your body, such as fiber, vitamin C, potassium and folate. There is not one fruit that has all the nutrition, so eating a variety of fruit is the key to good health. Beans. Beans provide protein, fiber, folate, iron, potassium, and magnesium while containing little or no total fat, sodium, and cholesterol. They are excellent source of protein. Fish. Fish is low fat, high quality protein. Fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acid and vitamins such as D and B2. Olive oil. Olive oil has various potent effects including antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective and other benefits for health. Yogurt. Yogurt is a rich source of calcium providing in a bioavailable form. It is also a good source of vitamins A, B2 and B12. Meat. Meat is a great source of protein. They also provide lots of other nutrients your body and vitamins. Milk. Milk is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, particularly calcium. It has an excellent role in bone health. Eggs. Eggs are packed full of high quality protein, making them ideal as part of many different diet patterns that can assist people in managing their weight. Dry fruits and nuts. Nuts are good source of many nutrients including fatty acid profile, vitamin E and K, selected minerals such as magnesium, copper, potassium and diet fibers. Chocolate. Dark chocolate contains powerful antioxidant. Among the most beneficial is a flavonoid called epicatechin. It protects against cell damage caused by free radicals. Energy drinks. The large amount of caffeine in energy drinks provide the consumer with the desirable effect of improved memory, increased alertness, and elevated mood. Healthy eating is essential for your child's good health, growth, and development. Healthy eating in childhood reduces your child's chance of developing health problems as they get older. To stay healthy and maintain a healthy weight, children need to be physically active and eat the right amount of nutrition of balance the energy they use. So stay healthy. Do like and subscribe my channel.